BNS Sections 354 to 356, Arrests and Rights. Key aspects of arrests and the associated rights are explored in this video. A clear understanding of BNS Sections 354 to 356 is provided for viewers. Beyond the handcuffs, your arrest rights explored. At shattering myths about immediate arrest power, what BNS 354 * really * says. At the critical difference between detention and arrest, don't get them confused. At scenario walkthrough, when can police arrest without a warrant? The power of the police, understanding BNS 355. At breaking down the lawful force continuum, what's permissible during an arrest. At your body cam protection, the growing role of video evidence in arrests. At challenging excessive force, how BNS 355 protects you from abuses. Navigating your first moments, the BNS 356 blueprint. At the immediate rights upon arrest, silence, counsel, and communication. At the Mirandized moment, when exactly do they have to read your rights? At protecting your property, what happens to your belongings during an arrest? Beyond the station, your post-arrest protections. At the right to know the charges, don't guess, demand clarity. At bail versus bond, demystifying your path to temporary freedom. At the vital first phone call, who you must contact immediately. Empowering your defense, what's next? At why legal counsel is non-negotiable, the hidden pitfalls of self-representation. At documenting everything, the power of a personal record of events. At staying informed, where to find updated BNS information and legal aid resources.